In the first 9 weeks of the primary lessons, students learn to recognize and produce words that rhyme. The lessons include a skill focus that can be shared with students to help them define rhyming words. When words rhyme, we hear the same middle and final sounds. We can use this language when we provide error correction for students as they recognize words that rhyme. Here's an example. If we said, which word rhymes with race, face, or paid? We could say to students, race and face rhyme because we hear ace in both words. For some learners, generating or producing a rhyming word is often more difficult. The skill focus included in the lessons can help students produce a rhyming word. When we make rhyming words, we change the first sound or sounds, and the middle and final sounds always stay the same. This means we are adding or substituting an initial sound to make a new word. Here's an example. Tell me a word that rhymes with light. Students may supply words like bite, kite, or bright. Nonsense words would be acceptable as long as the middle and final sounds are ite.